Hello friends, welcome to Big Data Testing. In this session, we are going to see how to open the terminal inside the Cloudera environment and how to work on the MySQL, how to open the MySQL terminal. So let's take an example. You are on the Cloudera desktop. So how you open the terminal so that you can start on MySQL. So to open the terminal, we have this black icon over here. You can click on this icon and you can open the terminal. And the second way to open the terminal, just right click anywhere on the desktop and click on open in terminal. So there are a couple of ways how you open your terminal. So I'm going to close one terminal over here. Now we are aware of that we can open our terminal in two ways. So let's start working on MySQL. So I have already opened my terminal on the Cloudera environment. So let's see how to open the MySQL environment. So how you open the MySQL environment on Cloudera? You can open the MySQL environment using the command that is MySQL -uroot, so that you are working as a root user, then -p Cloudera. So this is the command to open the Cloudera environment with MySQL database. We can say that using this command we can open the MySQL. So MySQL -uroot and then -p Cloudera. I'm pressing enter. So now you can see MySQL terminal is open and now we can start writing our queries. We can start creating our database inside this MySQL terminal. So to start working on any database, we should have some databases. We can create our databases also, that we will see further, but let's take an example that we have some databases. So how you know that which database are available in my MySQL? So how you get that? To see the databases, we have show databases command. Show databases. If I press enter, it will display me few databases that are default. It is automatically there when you install your MySQL. Like in the Cloudera, it is already installed. It is pre-installed, we can say. So these databases are already available, and one database testing I have created over here. We can use any database. So to work any database, what we do, we can use the database, so that we can use table creation inside that database. So how you do that? To use the database, we have the use command. Use database name. So my database name is testing, so I'm using this database. Then the semicolon. So now I'm pressing enter. So at the bottom of my screen, now you can see that I have used my existing database. So how you create the database, we will see in our next session. So let's see, I'm now inside my database. So inside my database, I can create my tables. But let's say we have to work on the existing tables. So how to see the existing table? In the similar manner, like in the show databases, we see that all the databases. So show tables can show you all the tables that are available inside that database. So inside my database, I have only one table, that name is self join. So I can see the data of this table. So how to see the data of any table? We can use select star from table name, and my table name is self join. So I'm using my table to see the details of my table. At the last I'm using semicolon. So now you can see I have three columns, that is ID, name, manager ID, and these all are the values of this table. So inside this session we have seen how to see the existing database, how to use the existing database, how to see the existing table inside my existing database. So we will see how to create the database, how to create the tables inside that database in our next session. So that's all from this session. Thanks for watching this video.